Greetings from CathySheaSchool.com. Spring is in full bloom and it's time for greens. Did you know that your bones are mostly minerals? And if you're not ingesting enough mineral-rich greens, your body will actually transfer the minerals out of your bones into your bloodstream to keep your body alkaline. Did you know that disease can only live in an acid environment? So if you stay alkaline, you're going to be a lot healthier. So let's have some fun with fennel. You will not see fennel like this in any of your grocery stores unless you're really, really lucky. I got this at the farm. Speaking of farms, look up CSA, Community Supported Agriculture. Support your local farmer and get the whole foods they provide from this mineral-rich soil in your community. Now, I know it's still a little chilly in some places, but I hope you started some sprouts on your windowsill this winter and you're ready to start bringing herbs into your kitchen. Most of the stores will cut off this best part, which is the green hair. I put it in the blender with water or chicken broth. Water if I'm making a smoothie, chicken broth if I'm making a soup, and you have a phenomenal alkaline green starter. So as a smoothie, it'll go in the blender with either mango, which is coming ripe in our garden right now, and you all know about Mango Mike, so that's another video. If you want to make it sweet, that's the thing to do. I add parsley to that. I add mint to that from my garden. But then there's the savory. So I chop up the root of this vegetable and I put it in my saucepan with onion and zucchini. This will get blended with the fennel broth that has chicken broth in it. And I jazz it up with herbs like thyme. This can be put into a little piece of cloth or even a little knee-high stocking. Tie it up, throw it in there for your flavor. And of course, my all-time favorite, the basil. Lisa will tell you our favorite lunch is tomato, basil, and mango mixed with extra virgin olive oil and a really healthy vinegar. Now, don't throw away these sticks. You might want to dice them up, put them in your chicken salad or just your salad. You can also do that with the hair. So as spring provides so abundantly, give thanks to Great Mother Earth, Heavenly Father for the rain, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.